In this video, we will show you how to replace your upper control arm on this Dodge Ram. This is part of your suspension, and it's mounted to the frame all the way over to your front differential. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. Before we start taking anything apart, you want to make sure you have your vehicle up in the air, and then I also want to apply some support underneath the front differential. With having support underneath that differential, we'll continue on to our two mounting bolts. You'll find that you have one along the front of that control arm, and you'll have one along the rear. To remove each one of these mounting bolts, you'll find that you have a 21mm headed bolt that comes through from the inside towards the outside. On the outer aspect here, you'll have a 21mm nut, which we will be removing with a socket. I'll use my wrench on the inboard side to hold that still. Remove that nut, give it a quick inspection, set that aside. Now we can follow that upper control arm rearward to where it connects to the frame. You'll find that you have a 21mm headed bolt from the inside making its way out. I'll be holding that bolt still with a socket and a breaker bar. The next thing we'll do is continue on driving that bolt out of here. We'll give our mounting hardware a quick inspection and set it aside. Let's get this last bolt out of here. Now we can move this around as needed. All right, let's get ready to install that brand new upper control arm. Let's take this and come in at a sharp angle, up and nice and high above this area. We'll continue on with the area that goes down into the differential. Let's get that lined up. At this point, we can start that mounting bolt through, but we are not going to put on the mounting nut. We'll swing this side down. Try to find the hole on the inside of that frame there, get this lined up, slide it right on through. If you find that it does not line up, you could use a ratchet strap to try to pull the differential either rearward to get this aligned or even forward. Before we continue on tightening and torquing these, you want to make sure you have the suspension in the original ride height position. So you can either lower the vehicle down onto the ground, or you can just continue on with the jack underneath this area and raise it up into the proper position. With this in the original ride height position, we'll continue on to tightening each one of these to 120 foot-pounds. We'll bottom them out first and then torque them. Now that we have everything torqued, we can remove the support from underneath your differential. Okay friends, we fully installed our upper control arm. At this point, you want to take your vehicle for a road test, listen for any funny noises, and get yourself safely down to your local alignment shop. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.